Good morning, student. We are studying about the linear equation of two variables and the method of solution. In method of solution, we are going on the substitution method. Substitution method. Now come on, question number 6. Sixth part of the question number first. Sixth part of question number first. Try to solve by the substitution method. I am going to solve it. Please see here. Question is 3x by 2, 5y by 3 equal to minus 2. Equal to minus 2 and x by 3 plus y upon 2 13 by 6. This is two linear equations and we have to solve by substitution method. Student, first of all, taking LCM and it convert into the standard form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Change your given present form of the equation, change into the standard form, just like from 1 9x minus 10y equal to minus 12. After taking LCM, you will get this form of the equation number first. And from 2x plus 3y equal to 13. After taking LCM from equation number 2. Now we are going to solve this equation. Therefore, from 1 we find the value of y in the term of value of x like this. Now y is equal to 12 plus 9x by 10. Substituting this value in equation number 2. Substituting the value of y in equation number 2. Here 2x plus 3y 12 plus 9x upon 10 equal to 13. Now we have to calculate it. 10 to the 20x plus 36 27x 10 3 13 ja 130. After adding 7 47x equal to 130 minus 36, that is 494. Since 47x is equal to 94, therefore x is equal to 94 by 47, that is 2. Value of x is equal to 2, therefore value of y is equal to here 12 plus 9 into 2 by 10, that is 12 plus 18 by 10, 30 by 10, that is 3. Y equal to 3 and x equal to 2. It is your solution by substitution method. So student, you see, if you want to solve your linear equation by this method, then first of all, if your equation is not in the standard form, then first of all you convert your equation into standard form. After that, try to find the value of y in the term of x from equation number 1 or 2. If you find the from equation number 2, then substitute it in equation number 2. If you find the value of y in the term of x from equation number 2, then substitute in equation number 1. That means alternate. You doing alternate equation numbers, not same numbers. So, come on, question number 2. Let us see question number 2. Question number 2. Solve 2x plus 3y equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24, and hence find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3. To find the value of m, it is last step. First of all, we will solve this equation by substitution method. So come and try to find the value of y from equation number 1. From equation 1, 2x plus 3y equal to 11. 3y is equal to 11 minus 2x, y is equal to 11 minus 2x by 3. Therefore, from equation number 2, 2x minus 4 into 11 minus 2x by 3 minus 24. 6x minus 44 plus 8x by 3 equal to minus 24 by cross multiply. 14x minus 44 equal to 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 7 minus 14x is equal to minus 72 plus 44. After changing the sides of 44, you will get 862 minus this. Now x is equal to minus 28 by 14, that is minus 2. You are able to find the value of x. X is equal to minus 2. Therefore, y is equal to, substitute value in place of this, 11 minus 2 into minus 2 by 3, 11 plus 4 by 3, 15 by 3, that is 5. So, x is equal to x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5, the solution of this set. Now, since y is equal to mx plus 3, mx plus 3, substitute the value of x and y in this equation. 5 is equal to minus 2m plus 3, 5 minus 3 equal to minus 2m, 2 is equal to minus 2m, therefore m is equal to 2 by minus 2, m is equal to minus 1. This is your value of m. Now your question number 2 be solved. Similarly, question number 3. From the pair of linear equation for the following problems and find their solution by the substitution method. The difference between two numbers is 26. One number is 3 times the other. Find them. First of all, we have to change the word problem into the form of equation. After that we will solve. Now let number be x and y. Now let numbers are x and y. Let x is greater than y. So ATQ1 x minus y equal to 26, first equation, and ATQ one number is 3 times the another, ATQ2, this second equation. Now we have to solve it. Since from equation number 2 x equal to 3y, therefore y is equal to x by 3. Substituting the value of y in equation number first, substituting the value of y in equation number first, you will get x minus x by 3 equal to 26, 3x minus x by 3 equal to 26, 2x equal to this, therefore x is equal to 39. First is 39, therefore y is equal to 39 by 3, 13. So your numbers are 39 and 13. If you want to check your answer, then compare your answer with the condition of the question. What is the condition of question? Condition of question is that difference of the number be equal to 26. Find the difference. 39 minus 13 is equal to 26. Your first condition of the question be satisfied. Second is 1 is 3 times of another. 39 is equal to 3 into 13. Therefore your second condition of the question be also satisfied. Then you can say that your answer is right. Your solution is correct. Okay. Similarly, question number second, third part, fourth, fifth, sixth. Come on, one part is more. One part is more. A coach of cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls of this. Later she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for this. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. Let CP of 1 bat equal to X and CP of 1 ball equal to I. Therefore ATQ1 is 7 bat 6 ball. 7x 6y equal to 3800. First equation. After that 3 bat 5 balls equal to 1750. Now solve it and find your result. Exam 1, 7x plus 6y equal to 3800. Now 6y is equal to 3800 minus 7x. Now y is equal to 3800 by 6. From 2, 3x plus 5 in bracket this 1750, taking LCM 18x plus 0 0, this minus 35x equal to 0, this. Check your calculation, and after 35 17 minus 17x is equal to 10500 minus 19000 19000 105 0058, that is minus 8500, minus will be cancelled. X is equal to 8500 by 17, that is 500. Therefore y is equal to 38 minus 7 into 500 upon 6. 3800 minus 3500, 300 by 6, 50, RS 50. That means CP यानी cost price of one bat is 500 and cost price of one ball is 50. How can you find it? First of all, we change your word problem into the equation system. After that, applicate the substitution method. We find the value of y in the term of x, substitute another equation and calculate it. After calculation, we find the value of x, and after that value of x substitute in this relation and taking value of y. So I hope that you will try to solve the remaining part of this exercise. Remaining part of the question of this exercise. If you can do it, then it is very good. If you can't do it, then I will try to solve the next remaining questions in the next video. And I hope that you will try to complete your work. Students, आप अपना वर्क कंप्लीट करना सीखो. सीबीएसई बोर्ड के जितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं, बहुत कम वर्क करने वाले लोग हैं. क्या आपका टारगेट है? क्या अचीव करना चाहते हैं? यस नो से केवल वर्क नहीं होता. वर्क कंप्लीट होता है डूइंग कैपेसिटी से, थिंकिंग कैपेसिटी से. इसलिए आप लोग ऐसा मत करें, वर्क करिए. एंड जो भी प्रॉब्लम आपकी है, आप किसी भी माध्यम से, अगर आप किसी भी मीडियम से मुझ तक आप सेंड करेंगे, मुझ तक आएगा, देन आई विल ट्राई टू सॉल्व योर प्रॉब्लम. ओके, आई स्टॉप हियर. आई विल कंटिन्यू just tomorrow. Thank you.